Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, hope you are fine. Dear students, today we will discuss some important topic from our syllabus, that is life of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam at Makkah. It mainly consists of two main phases: life before prophethood and life after prophethood. Here we are going to discuss some important events of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's life before prophethood. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born on 12th Rabiul Awwal 571 AD in Makkah. आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम 12 रबीउल अव्वल को मक्का में पैदा हुए 571 एडी या क्रिश्चियन एरा में। आमतौर पर 12 रबीउल अव्वल आता है, लेकिन कुछ मुहक्किकीन ने जो सबसे ज़्यादा जो सही रिवायत बताई है वो 9 रबीउल अव्वल की बताई है कि आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम 9 रबीउल अव्वल को पैदा हुए। As you know, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was before his prophethood known as Al-Amin and trustworthy, Sadiq or Amin. When Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born, there was widespread bad deeds that has enveloped Arabia. They were worshipping trees, stones, moon, sun, rivers and mountains. वो इन चीज़ों की पूजा करते थे, दरख्तों की, बुतों की, आफताब की, चांद की, पहाड़ों की वो पूजा करते थे। बुत परस्ती आम थी। And they were leading an uncivilized life, having no culture and system. The women had no position in their society, and young girls used to be buried alive by their fathers. Murders, dacoities, and kidnappings were all legalized in their system. The father of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Abdullah, he died several weeks before his birth in Medina, where he went to visit his father's maternal relatives. When he was 6 years old, his mother, Amina, daughter of Wahab ibn Abdul Manaf of the Zahra family, also passed away when she was on her return journey from Medina at Abba. You must be knowing the fact that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam before his birth lost his father at Medina, and after 6 years he lost his mother also, Amina. आपके वालिद का नाम अब्दुल्ला था, आपकी वालिदा का नाम आमिना था। आपकी पैदाइश से पहले ही अब्दुल्ला इस दुनिया से इंतकाल कर चुके थे, और जब आप 6 साल की उम्र को पहुंचते हैं तो वालिदा का भी मदीना की एक जगह अब्वा के मुकाम पर जो है इंतकाल हो जाता है। तो आप यतीम ठहरे पहले दिन से ही। तो उसके बाद अब्दुल मुतलिब जो पैटर्नल ग्रैंडफादर आपके लगते थे, was the son of Hashim Abdul Manaf, founder of Bani Hashim. When Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born, he took care of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And Abdul Muttalib, he was already an influential leader of the Arab tribe, Quraysh, in Makkah. And he was also caretaker of the Holy Kaaba. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was raised by his grandfather until the age of 8. When Abdul Muttalib died, he was taken care by his paternal uncle Abu Talib. You must be knowing these facts that after the death of both of his parents, Abdul Muttalib took care of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He was an influential person, caretaker of the Kaaba, and chief of the tribe Quraysh. So Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam other paternal uncles were Zubair, Haris, Abbas, and Hamza, radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu, and Abu Lahab. However, Abu Lahab had created a lot of trouble for Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and therefore was cursed by Allah. अबू लहब भी आपके चचाओं में से था, लेकिन चूँकि उसकी इस्लाम दुश्मनी सबसे ज़्यादा नुमायाँ थी, इसलिए अल्लाह ताला ने उसको अपने गज़ब का शिकार बनाया। बहरहाल नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की कफ़ालत अब्दुल मुत्तलिब के हाथ में आती है, और जब आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम 8 साल की उम्र को पहुँचते हैं तो अब्दुल मुत्तलिब का भी इंतकाल हो जाता है, वो इस दुनिया से चले जाते हैं और आप अबू तालिब की कफ़ालत में आते हैं। You must be knowing the fact that Muhammad's paternal aunts were Arwa and Safiya radhiyallahu ta'ala anha. Makkah was a city well connected with Syria. Therefore, a lot of trading was done between them. The trade routes were towards Syria, and majority of the trade was done towards this part of land. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam joined his uncle Abu Talib. Trading business at the age of 12, where he used to travel with him to Syria. तो आपने अबू तालिब के साथ सीरिया का शाम का सफ़र 12 साल की उम्र में शुरू किया। Since he was an honest, reliable and trustworthy, a rich merchant's widow named Khadija asked Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam to take some merchandise for trade to Syria, which he did successfully. As a trader, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was known for his honesty, for his trustworthiness, for straightforwardness, and the talk spread far and wide. And there was a widow named Khadija, who was also a wealthy merchant, a wealthy woman, a respectable woman. He chose to take her merchandise for trade towards Syria. And Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam did it successfully, and she was impressed by the conduct of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and she sent him the message of her marriage. And at the age of 40, Hazrat Khadija, she married Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, whose age at that time was 25. तो नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की शादी हज़रत खदीजा से होती है, और खदीजा की उम्र उस वक्त 40 साल होती है और नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की उम्र 25 साल होती है। तो आपकी शादी हज़रत खदीजा के साथ होती है। So they had 6 children, 4 daughters and 2 sons from this marriage. The first son Qasim died at the age of 2, and the second son Abdullah died in infancy. And Abdullah was also called Tahir affectionately, as he was born after Muhammad's prophethood. The 4 daughters were Zainab, Ruqayya, Kulsum, and Fatima radhiyallahu ta'ala anha. At the time of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, when he was living in that society which we have already discussed, they were worshipping different kinds of objects, and Kaaba itself, the holy Kaaba, which was meant for worship of only one God, that was filled with 360 idols. इसमें 360 बुत थे। वो काबा जो तौहीद की खातिर बना था, अल्लाह की इबादत की खातिर बना था, उसमें 360 बुत रखे हुए थे। The people of Makkah had forgotten the original message of Prophet Ibrahim, which was mixed with superstitions and self-created traditions. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam never accepted such ideology and always kept himself away from such practices. तो ये सूरत हाल थी। इस सूरत हाल में अल्लाह के नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम जन्म लेते हैं, इस दौर को देखते हैं, इन हालात को देखते हैं और गौर फिक्र करते हैं कि यह कौम किन आदतों में, गुमराहियों में, बदकारियों में पड़ी हुई है। लेकिन आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम इन तमाम चीज़ों से बचे रहे, अल्लाह ने आपकी हिफाजत की और ये चंद वाक़यात जो हमने आपके सामने बयान किए ये नबूवत से पहले के हैं। सो इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन वी विल bring another topic which pertain to the life of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam at Makkah. There are certain events which you have to note, that is construction of Kaaba and the peace agreement known as Hilf al-Fuzul and various other events which will be discussed later on. Till then, fi amanillah, ila liqa.